fast track, going nowhere, back in time now.